What's up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, in this video, thank you guys so much for tuning in because we'll be comparing two natural hair brushes today. Let's go. Okay guys, so yes, you heard me correctly. We'll be comparing two natural hair brushes today. The first brush that I have with me today is my favorite brush. It is the Felicia Leatherwood brush right here. Okay guys, so this is the Felicia Leatherwood brush right here. It is her detangling brush. I love this brush with all of my heart. It's very sturdy, but it's still easy to clean, which is awesome. You can get like a thin towel or a thin rag and clean it out. This brush like really does the job, guys. I enjoyed this brush so much. I love this brush a lot, but we'll be comparing it to this natural hair brush that I bought off Amazon. So it does come with this little thing. According to the photos on Amazon, you take this piece and you can adjust it to where you want it at, I guess. So I'm just gonna quickly put this on there. Okay guys, so I do have the brush on, or the back part on there, so it is all spaced out now. It feels flimsy, so here it is right here. I'm a little bit skeptical, but I'll be taking my braids out today. They've been in these dookie braids for like 2 days now, so I'm going to take these out. Surprisingly, they're probably still wet because I did wash my hair. And then we'll be using the Felicia Leatherwood on this side and the Amazon brush to this side. Let's see if this is a good dupe or not. Alright, so I'm just going to quickly take out this side of my head. Ciao. Yo, this style is cute. I don't even want to mess it up. I don't even want to brush it, y'all. Y'all might not get no review today. I don't know. Like, my hair is looking a little bomb, even though it's only like 60% dry. My hair is very wet, maybe 75%. You can see, like, as I'm playing with it, it's starting to poof up, which I don't mind because that is black hair. But here is the difference. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and just quickly take out the other side. Alright guys, so my hair is fully taken out. It only took a couple seconds to release those dookie braids, my sister. And we are ready to go ahead and start the comparison. Let's see if this is a real good dupe for the Felicia Leatherwood. I don't know. So before we hop into the actual demo, I am going to go ahead on the back end and I'm going to talk a little bit more about the Felicia Leatherwood brush because it needs to be discussed. Alright y'all, so here is the Felicia Leatherwood website. Again, with the yellow. I love yellow on black women. We are just a bomb, okay? So here is Felicia. She has over 26 years of experience. So guys, you can go on to her website to read a little bit more about her, but she does have 26 years experience in the business. So here is the detangling brush right here. We can go ahead and click on it. It says brush with the best, shop now. So we can go ahead and click on that again. And here are your options. I'm surprised because when I was on here, I did not see the one for, I did not see the teal one. So I'm happy that they have some more options. So here's the one that I purchased right here. I've been using this for this product for a while. I think that I certainly do like it for sure. If you guys do not know about the Felicia Leatherwood brush, it's just absolutely amazing and it's not that expensive either. Guys, so I am going to speak a little bit about the design of the brush as well. It's widely spaced flexy bristles glide easily through hair without breaking or damaging your hair strands. So I really like how they designed this brush for beginners and pros and for all hair types. That was absolutely amazing that she was able to design a brush like this. I am going to show you where I purchased this brush from. It's just on Amazon. So here it is right here. It is $12.99 plus $3 for shipping. It does take a while to get to you, and I'm sure that there's other options, but I actually had a discount code. I'm not going to provide it for you guys because it already expired, so I did get my brush for about like $5, honestly. But you can purchase yours right here on Amazon, and I will have it linked below if you want to give it a try. Woo! Alright, now that we got the hard stuff out of the way, I am going to go ahead and be using the Amazon Hair Day Perfectly Polished Gel. So here is the gel right here. I am so happy to be using this gel. It's actually been a while since I've tried it. If you guys have not seen my Amazon Hair Day review, I will go ahead and link it up here, and you guys can go check it out. It's definitely this one, isn't it? I don't know. Okay, so anyways, this is how the gel comes out if you guys have never seen it before. Ooh, look at that. It's super thick, super gooey, so we're going to be applying this to my hair today. And we're going to be using both brushes, and we're going to just compare them since they're really close in price. We're going to just see which one's better. Comment below and tell me what side do you think is actually going to turn out better. I got all my bets on this Felicia Leatherwood brush. It's going to be on my left side right here. We'll be using the dupe or the Amazon brush on the right side. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the right side because we got to save the best for last. I'll pin this section up out the way, and I'll meet you guys in the back. Alright guys, so I am back. I do have my hair pinned up and out the way. I will be using the Shar Naturals Fresh Herbs and Ayurvedic Oil on my natural hair as well. Now this is because I do feel as though my hair is just a little bit dry. I've had it in those dookie braids for about 2 days now, so I will be oiling my scalp along the way. If you guys want to purchase the Shar Naturals, I'll have it linked below. I'm just going to take a little bit in this back section right there and massage it in. Again, sorry if you guys can hear any background noise. That is a train riding past. Now, when I used to do my videos, I would actually wait for the train to go past, but it's so sporadic and it comes all the time. I'm just going to power right through it just like the train. So I will just speak up a little louder. Alright, so I got the oil in there, and now I'm going to go ahead and take some of the gel from Amazon Hair Day, the main choice. Here's how the gel looks right here. Guys, if you have never smelled the Main Choice products, they are known for their smells. I highly recommend you go out and try some of their products if you have not. This smells so good, guys. It really does. Makes me happy. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and take what I have on my hand. I was thinking about using a little bit of spray as well, so I could just really get the gel in there. Right, so I do have my spray bottle here. This is filled with aloe vera juice. I'm just gonna put a little bit on this section so I can make that gel glide a little bit better. I'm gonna go ahead and take some more gel and apply some more. Alright, now that I got all that gel on there, now we're gonna go in with the brush. Now my hair is fully detangled, guys, so we'll see. So here's the brush right here, starting at the ends like you're always supposed to. Do not start brushing up here. Brush down here at the ends first. It feels very like loose. It feels extremely loose, and it's like pulling out some of my hair. I'm just gonna add a little bit more gel, you know? Next, I am going to go ahead with my Shar Naturals Ayurvedic Oil. Put that on that new line that I just parted. Oh, it feels so good, guys. Feels so good. And just get it up in there. Gotta keep your scalp nice and moisturized. The aloe vera juice, I'm just going to spray it on that section. And go ahead and take a little bit of the Amazon Hair Day. Oh, so gooey. It is gooey, y'all. And get it on my fingers, rub it through my hair. It definitely was not enough. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. That was not enough. Not for my hair. I feel like my curls look fine, unbothered. I don't want to use this brush. I'm not looking forward to this. Goodness gracious, this brush is... We're gonna wait till the end to give my final opinions, but you can see here's how it's combing through. It's not taking too much hair, but it is taking some. It feels like it doesn't feel sturdy. It doesn't feel sturdy at all. I could feel my hair being pulled out, which I don't like. Alright, so that's how it looks. It needs more gel because I don't know how the brush is taking the definition away. How is this possible? And I shouldn't even been putting more gel on there, but honey, I'm not going to be looking crazy. Next. It's taking out so much of my hair. I don't like it. Okay guys, so I am done half of my head. Here it is right here. The first thing that I'm going to say that is a con is I do not like how much hair it took out. It took out a lot of hair. Too much hair for my liking. I mean, it may not look like a lot on camera, but it seems like a lot to me. So I'm going to see how much the other side takes out with the Felicia Leatherwood brush. But with the Amazon brush, I really didn't like how much it took out. Again, another con is I did not like how it was not sturdy. I felt like, I don't know, just as I glided it through my hair, it just really didn't feel like a sturdy brush to me. Very plasticky. There's still all types of hair in the brush as well. I did not really like this brush. To be honest with you guys, I am going to go ahead and quickly do the other side with my Felicia Leatherwood brush and let's see if this gets any better. Alright, let's keep going. Alright guys, so my head is finally done. I did want a side part, so I did use this brush to just give myself a little swoop on the side. And you can see that it is completed. So here are my thoughts. Y'all already know. Where that ugly brush at? You already know how I feel about this brush. Again, I did not like that. I didn't like that it pulled my hair out. I love the color, if you want me to say something positive. I love that I have Amazon Prime, so I have, you know, shipping. Yeah, that's about it. I would not recommend this. That's trash. Alright, now we're on to the Felicia Leatherwood brush. Now guys, some cons, it did pull out of my hair a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it right there, but honestly it didn't do it as much as the Amazon dupe or whatever. So it did pull out my hair a little bit, but honestly that's normal hair loss for me when my hair is already detangled. So I definitely would recommend this brush. It was sturdy, the price was good, it's worth it. You can wash it and reuse it. This is a really good brush and I highly recommend it. Here are my results from using the Main Choice Amazon Hair Day Gel. Super excited to let this dry. But I think my curls definitely came out better on this side. They clumped together better on this side. Like, girl, we got some curls. Felicia Leather brush is approved by AsAlwaysAleia. I love this brush and I will continue to use it. Kudos to you, Felicia, for being in the natural hair community and creating such an awesome brush. Thank you, sis. I am looking forward to seeing what else Felicia is going to come out with since her brushes were amazing. Is she going to come out with a comb set, or like what else is she going to do? So I'm definitely excited to see what else she has to offer. Guys, if you like what you saw today, please like, subscribe, and share. You guys are amazing and thank you so much for helping me on my journey. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.